Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Kintone Action Automation for workflow in your account. Once you are there, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install, choose an account, and click on Continue. Head over to Allow and Install and click on it. A custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, navigate to Settings, head over to Custom Menu Links, click on Create New, and insert all the information needed right over here. Give an icon and a title to the custom menu link. Then you paste the custom menu link, which you copy right over here. You choose a sidebar preference and select an account where you want to install the custom menu link. Then you give role-based visibility, which can be all users and admin. Click on Save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account. Click on the custom menu link itself and you'll have this first interface with all the connect and manage. You have this first interface with all the available apps. Search for the app you installed and click on connect. The second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as documentation and everything you need to get started with this specific app is right in here. You have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up right over here. No worries, let's walk you through on how to set up your app. Copy the redirect URL and head to the account we've created online. Click on Settings, User and Administration. Click on Auth under Integration, and you click on Add Auth Client. You give a name and you paste the redirect URL right here. Click on Save. Then click on Configure Users. Toggle on the display name and you click on Save. Head over to the edit still on the app you created. Then copy the client ID. Head back to your account. Click on Start Setup and you paste. Copy the client secret and paste. Then pick up the domain and paste. Click on Complete Setup and click on Allow to complete your app configuration. Your app has been successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a live call with our support team. We have an interesting feature which is a change log that is going to show you all the new updates and changes made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, then you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.